If you're trying to level up without the hype, you're in the right place. What's good? I'm Wine, and welcome to the Everyday Come Up. It's Mindset Monday. No hype, no quotes, just real perspective for people trying to move better. Today, I want to talk to anybody who feel like quitting. Not because things went bad, but because things taking longer than you thought. Progress don't always feel like progress. Sometimes it feels boring. Sometimes it feels like nothing's happening. That's usually when people fall off. Most breakthroughs or breakouts, they happen after the excitement wears off, after the likes slow down, after nobody's clapping for you. That's where staying the course matters. You don't need to switch plans every time it gets quiet. You don't need a new idea every week. You need to stay consistent long enough for the results to catch up. If what you're doing still makes sense, if you're moving smarter than before, don't quit. Stay consistent. If this hit, drop a comment. Let me know what you're staying consistent with. And don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. Make smart moves, and I see you on the come up.